Hello Cambly learners, my name is Samantha and I am a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today you will be learning the 12 months of the year and the seasons in which they belong. Let's go. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Great! But which months go into which seasons? Spring is for March, April, May. Summer is for June, July, August. Autumn or fall is for September, October, November. And winter is for December, January, February. Tell me, which is your favourite month? I love that month. Well done! Today you learned the 12 months in the year and the seasons in which they belong. Good job! If you haven't already heard, Cambly gives you instant access to native English speakers just like me. Ask your parents to schedule a class with me by following the link in the description. Bye!